Hello guys, today I'll be dropping the tutorial video on how to edit what they call zoom through. Okay, so please and please, I will need you people to follow me, share this video so that other people too can learn from it. Okay, can you see this video that is displaying? Today I'll be dropping the tutorial. Let's go.
Okay, you go to Capcut. Now you press, it will open. Now you go to new project. Now it will open. Now go and select the clips that you want to use. Okay, I'll be using this first one which I just marked, but I think I saved this video twice. Let me delete the unwanted part. Okay, I will delete from here. Okay, can you see? I had to adjust. You can adjust, you can delete, but don't forget to always delete this CapCut logo. All right, now you come to the beginning again. Okay, now you press text, you go to add text. Now I will type beach because what I'm using has to do with beach. Okay, now I will type beach. Can you see? Now after doing that, press font. Okay, now choose Rubik. Have you seen it? After choosing Rubik, go to styles. Okay, now look for a green color to use because that is what will enable you to be able to remove the green background. Now you push it to the beginning, to the end of the video. Can you see it? Can you see it now? Good. Now after that, come to the beginning again,
Put a keyframe. Okay,
come to the end, all right, and add another chroma key. All right, then after doing that, you will have to expand the beach in order for the green to overpower or cover the screen of your video. All right, can you see what I'm doing? Use your two finger. It is your two finger that you will use. Now after doing that, can you see I'm trying to cover the screen? I have successfully covered the screen. Now push your video a little bit backward. Can you see it? Now come to this key here and press cubic in. Can you see it now? This is the result. This is what you will get. Okay, this is what you will get for your first edited clip. This is what you will get. Now press export and save this one. Can you see it? Now you press done. Now come back again and pick the other clip that you want to use, which my own other clip is the beach. Look at it here. Yeah, I select it. Now I bring it back to my new project again. Okay, I have one unwanted stuff I saved with it, so let me delete it first. Okay, I just deleted it. Now don't forget to always remove that CapCut. Now come to the beginning again and press overlay. Now add that clip you just saved. Okay, break it down. Now can you see it? Now use your two finger to
expand
the screen.
the
Now
beach.
look for remove BG. All right, now press it. Now go to chroma key. Can you see it now? Now go to your intensity and push it to 33. Yeah, 33. Okay, now come to shadow and push it to 21, then save. All right, now you should get something like this. Can you see it? Okay, I want to remove this one that is too much. Can you see it? I've adjusted it. Now push it to the beginning. This is what you will get. It's very simple to edit it. Okay, please don't forget to follow me, please, and don't forget to share this video. Share so that other people can learn from it. Thank you.